Alright, here is the completed build of my computer that I set up last night. I'm currently installing Windows 10 and this is it. This is my computer I'm very proud of, as I am with all of them. Just go through here and show you the inside. Alright, so I worked very hard to make this thing look as beautiful as possible and have as clean as possible cable management. So you have your power supply unit partition down there, which I love because it keeps all the cables nicely hidden, but it also allows for great optimal airflow of that power supply unit out the back and then taking new air in from the bottom. And then it keeps this compartment here full of nice airflow because there's the lack of the power cords. They're all actually running through the back here through these grommets through the back of the case. So you got a nice open space here. You've got your two fans pushing fresh air in, your one fan exhaling the old air, two on the top exhaling air from the top, and then you've actually got your CPU cooler, which is taking air, that fresh air coming from the front, running it through the back or through the radiator here, or the cooling fins, and it's pushing it through right to this exhaust fan. So anyway, I just want to give you this quick overview of the build. Nice, clean. I'm going to be getting my CD drive for there very, very quickly. The solid state drive is conveniently located behind the motherboard, which is awesome. I've never seen that done before, which is really cool. And then the hard drives are actually stored down here as well, which is awesome. So it keeps it really nice and clean and sleek. Allows for that optimum airflow, and yeah, I've just really admired this build. I think it's one of the best I've ever done. Yeah, and installing Windows 10. So cool. All right, thanks for watching.